Adult language learners need more than vocabulary lists. They need lessons that connect to their daily lives and give them confidence to communicate. Great ESL/ELL teaching focuses on interaction, relevance, and variety. When we plan with purpose, every learner gets a chance to succeed. Let's dive in. High-impact teaching: how to teach engaging lessons to language learners. 1. Start with a communicative goal. Begin each lesson with a clear, real-world objective. Instead of learn the past tense, frame it as describe a past event to a coworker. This approach gives students a reason to learn the material and shows them its immediate use. 2. Activate prior knowledge and experience. Ask students what they already know about the topic or how it connects to their own culture. This validates their experiences and creates a bridge between their native language knowledge and the new language you are teaching. A simple question or a short pair share works well. 3. Use visuals and realia. Bring in real objects, pictures, charts, or short videos to illustrate new vocabulary and concepts. Visual aids are powerful tools for communicating meaning without relying on complex explanations. This helps all learners, regardless of their proficiency level. 4. Vary activities and groupings. Mix up your lesson with different types of activities to keep students engaged. Move from whole class instruction to small group work, then to individual practice. This variety caters to different learning styles and keeps the energy in the room high. 5. Focus on all 4 skills. Dedicate time in each lesson to all 4 language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. For example, have students listen to a dialogue, then practice speaking it, write a short version of it, and finally write a few sentences about it. This provides a balanced and comprehensive approach. 6. Provide structured scaffolding. Break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps with clear instructions. For example, give students a fill-in-the-blank script before you ask them to create their own dialogue. This provides support and helps them feel successful at each stage. 7. Conclude with a review and application. End the lesson with a quick summary of the key language points and a chance for students to use the new skills. Ask them to share a sentence they wrote or act out a short role play. This reinforces what they learned and gives them a sense of accomplishment. Following these strategies will help you design lessons that are relevant, practical, and highly interactive. A successful ESL/ELL class for adults focuses on building confidence, connecting to students' lives, and providing a variety of ways to practice new language skills. Please share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.